DTG digital printing, garment pre- and post-treatment process. Pre-treatment preparation. Use a lint roller to clean the garment surface in a single direction, thoroughly removing dust and lint. Recommend customers choose fabrics with smooth surfaces and minimal fuzz, such as combed cotton, ring-spun cotton, or mercerized cotton. Heat press smoothing. Flatten the garment using a heat press. This serves two purposes. Ensures the printing surface is perfectly flat. Effectively presses down surface fibers on long pile fabrics. Pre-treatment liquid application. Different formulas. White ink pre-treatment / CMYK pre-treatment. Operation guidelines. Use a fine nozzle under 1 mm. Must be cleaned daily after use to prevent clogging. Maintain a constant spraying height of 25 to 30 centimeters. Ensure consistent spraying direction and even application. Quality standards. Fully wet with no dry spots. No local pooling of liquid. Even penetration of pre-treatment. Temporary darkening of the fabric is normal. High temperature drying. After letting the garment rest briefly, dry at greater than or equal to 125 degrees Celsius. Important: avoid direct heat press drying as it may cause marks. If necessary, place a silicone-coated release sheet between the fabric and the press plate. Digital printing. Begin printing immediately after drying. After printing, allow the garment to rest in preparation for curing. High-temperature curing. All curing should be done as soon as possible after printing. A. Heat press curing. 150 to 160 degrees Celsius 45 to 55 seconds. Adjust based on garment color depth and thickness. B. Oven curing. 125 to 160 degrees Celsius 10 to 20 minutes. Adjust based on garment color depth and thickness. C. Contactless curing. 150 to 160 degrees Celsius 5 to 10 minutes. Adjust based on garment color depth and thickness.